yacht. Z is for zebra, zebra. For alligator, alligator, alligator. Alligator,
alligator.
B is for bear, bear, bear. B, bear. Bear. C is for cat, cat, cat. C, cat. I have a pet, she is a cat. D is for duck, duck. D, duck.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter?
E is for elephant, elephant, elephant. 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 F is for flamingo, flamingo, flamingo. F, flamingo. Hello, pretty flamingo. G is for goat, goat. G, goat. G, goat. H is for horse, horse, horse. H, horse.
H is for horse.
I is for iguana, iguana, iguana. I, iguana. I is for iguana, iguana. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish. 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 K is for kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. K, kangaroo. K, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion, lion. L, lion. L, lion. M is for mouse, mouse, mouse. Mouse.
Letter M is for mouse. Mouse.
N is for newt, newt. N, newt.
This is a newt. Newt starts with N.
O is for ostrich, ostrich, ostrich. Ostrich. P is for pig, pig. P, pig.
Was a pig, and he was big.
Q is for quail, quail, quail. Q, quail.
This is the letter Q. Q is for quail.
R is for rhino, rhino, rhino. R, rhino. Rhino, no, the rhinoceros.
Ouch!
Rhino. S is for snake, snake, snake. S, snake.
I'm the fascinating snake. I can make you with fear shake.
T is for tiger, tiger, tiger. Tiger.
It's the tiger. Tiger.
U is for unicorn, unicorn, unicorn. Unicorn. U for unicorn, unicorn. Horse with a horn, unicorn. V is for Varanus, Varanus, Varanus. V, Varanus. W is for whale, whale, whale. W, whale.
Whale, a whale. Do, whale, a whale.
X is for X-ray fish. X, X-ray fish. X, X-ray fish. X, X-ray fish.
X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish.
Y is for yak. Yak.
Y is for yak. Yak.
Z is for zebra. 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 Zebra.
Z is for zebra. Zebra.
Hey team, are you ready to learn your phonics sounds?
Yeah!
Okay, ready, let's go! A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for frog. Frog. G is for goldfish. Goldfish. H is for hog. Hog. These are the sounds of our ABCs. We need to learn them to help us read. So we will practice until we all know all our phonic sounds. Ready? Let's go! I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jam. Jam. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lamb. Lamb. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nose. Nose. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for pillow. Pillow. These are the sounds of our ABCs. We need to learn them to help us read. So we will practice until we all know all our phonic sounds. Ready? Let's go! Q is for quilt. Quilt. R is for rain. Rain. S is for snowman. Snowman. T is for train. Train. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vase. Vase. W is for wagon. Wagon. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Zebra.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came
is for hedgehog. I is for iguana. Iguana. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. Jaguar. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. L is for lion. M is for moose. Moose. M is for moose. N is for number. N is for number. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. O is for ostrich. P is for penguin. Penguin. P is for penguin. U is for whale. Whale. Q is for whale. R is for rhino. Rhino. R is for rhino. S is for snail. Snail. S is for snail. T is for turtle. Turtle. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. U is for unicorn. V is for